Hello children, continuing the same topic similarity, I am going to take a few more questions from exercise 16a. Question 11 is, in the given figure, medians AD and BE of triangle ABC meet at G and DF is parallel to BE. Prove that EF is equal to FC, and second part is AG ratio GD is equal to 2:1. Children, this is the property of the centroid, that it divides the median in the ratio 2:1, and we have to prove it. So for this, first I am taking triangle BCE. In this triangle, because it is given that DF is parallel to BE and D is given to be the midpoint of BC. So by applying the converse of BPT, we will have F is the midpoint of EC, or we will have BD upon DC is equal to EF upon FC, because this parallel line is dividing in the ratio CD upon DB and CF upon FE we are having. Now BD upon DC, DC can be written as BD only because they are given to be equal. D is the median, that means BD equal to DC, and this gives you 1 is equal to EF upon FC, and that gives you FC is equal to EF. This is the first part of the question you have to show. Now in the second part, you have to show that AG ratio GD is equal to 2:1. So for that, see children, we have in triangle ADF. In triangle ADF, this is the triangle we are taking. In this, GE is parallel to DF. It is given GE is parallel to DF. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, what will you have? By BPT only, you will have AG upon GD is equal to AE upon EF, right? By BPT, AG upon GD is equal to AE upon EF. Now see, AE and EF, what is the relation we are having? AE is equal to EC because E is given to be the midpoint. Also, we have proved EF is equal to FC, and this EF is equal to FC will be equal to half of EC. So I am replacing this EF by half of EC. Now EC gets cancelled and we are getting AG upon GD is equal to 2:1. Next, question number 14. In the given figure, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and BD is perpendicular on AC. If AB is equal to 5.7 centimeter, BD is equal to 3.7 centimeter, CD is 5.4. Find BC. So in this we have three triangles and we have to choose two triangles from this. We are going to choose triangles depending on the sides which are given to us. This AB is given 5.7 centimeter, then BD is given 3.8 centimeter, and CD is given 5.4 centimeter. This CD is given. So for this triangle, two sides are given to us, and for the bigger triangle ABC, one side is given, and we have to find out how much is BC. So I am taking triangle ABC and triangle BDC. In this angle ABC and in this angle is equal to 90 degree. Second is angle ACB is equal to angle BCD. This angle is common in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to BDC by AA property. Now, triangles are similar. We will be taking the ratio of the side. AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC. Substitute the values, and by that we are getting BC is equal to 8.1 centimeters. BC is equal to 8.1 centimeter. Okay children, so with this we finish the first exercise of similarity. Please try rest of the questions. Now see, for the next exercise we are having results on areas of similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, then what is the relation between their areas? For this we have, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, in that case area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, this will be equal to AB square upon DE square. What is AB and DE? They are the corresponding sides of the triangle. Similarly, BC is corresponding to EF, so this is BC square upon EF square, and AC square upon DF square. So the statement of the theorem is, the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares on their corresponding sides. Whatever the sides are, their squares ratio it will be equal to. This is related to the corresponding sides. Similarly, we are having related to the corresponding altitudes. areas are proportional to the square on the corresponding altitudes you will be having, and this same result hold for the median as well as the angle bisectors. That area, if suppose I am taking AP is the median and here DQ is the median, then this area is also equal to AP square upon DQ square. So whatever the median will be there or the angle bisector is there, this relation is always going to hold. So based on this, we are having the second exercise of the chapter. See question number 2. Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. First part is, if area of triangle ABC is equal to 49 centimeter square and area of triangle PQR is equal to 25 centimeter square, AB is given to be 5.6, find the length of PQ. Now ABC is given to be similar to PQR, so we can apply the results just we used, because one side is given AB equal to 5.6 and we have to find out PQ. What is PQ? It is the corresponding side of AB, right? So since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Give here the reason. What is the reason? That if two triangles are similar, this theorem statement you need to give here. Triangles are similar, the areas are proportional to the squares on their corresponding sides. So 49 upon 25 is 5.6 whole square upon PQ square. So PQ comes out to be 4 centimeter. You have to simplify this. Simplification is very simple, and PQ comes out to be 4 centimeter. Next, question number 5. In figure, this is the triangle ABC given. DE is parallel to BC. DE is 4 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and area of triangle ADE, this smaller triangle, this area is 20 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. So children, again the lines are given to be parallel, two triangles are there. We can prove that these two triangles, they are similar to each other, which is very simple. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle A, it is common, both the triangles. Angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. What type of angles are they? Corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. And you will have area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DE square upon BC square. Whatever the side you are taking, you have to take according to what is given to us, right? So the value DE is 4 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter. Area of triangle AD is 20. On simplification, we are getting area of triangle ABC is equal to 45 centimeter square. So you just have to apply the theorem directly here in the questions. Next, question number 8. In figure, angle PQR is equal to PST is equal to 90 degree. Both these angles are 90 degree. PQ, this complete side is given to be 5 centimeter. PS is 2 centimeter. Prove that triangle PQR and is similar to triangle PST. So in triangle PQR and triangle PST, whenever such type of figures are there, most of them one angle will always be common, right? You have angle PQR is equal to PST given to be 90 degree, and angle QPR is equal to angle SPT. Both these angles are common. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle PST. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle PST. And then we are going, this is the first part of the question. Second part, you have to find area of triangle PQR ratio area of this quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. We have SRQT. What is the area ratio of area of triangle PQR, the bigger triangle, and quadrilateral SRQT? Clear? So since the triangles are similar by AA axiom, you will mention here. Therefore, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PST is equal to PQ square upon PS square. Now how much is PQ? It is 5 and PS is 2. So this ratio comes out to be 25 upon 4. Right? Now we have, what is the total area is 25, and this small portion rate is how much parts? 4 parts. So I am supposing let area of triangle PQR is equal to 25K and area of triangle PST is equal to 4K. Right? we have need to find the area of this quadrilateral. Now see children, the complete is area is 25k and this smaller is 4k. So remaining will be how much? This will be 21k. So this is what I have explained here. Area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle PTS plus quadrilateral SRQT. Substituting the values, we are getting area of quadrilateral SRQT is equal to 21k. K is any variable way. So area of triangle PQR upon area of quadrilateral SRQT is 25k upon 21k, which is 25 upon 21. And now we are giving it answer in the ratio form. Please take care of this thing. It is very important. If you leave answer up to this, 1 mark will be deducted. Keep in mind they have asked you to give the ratio, so give answer in the ratio form. Right children? So this is all we are having in the starting questions of the exercise 16B. So please try up to question number 10 till the next video is uploaded. Thank you.